With Bitcoin, if you appreciate these quick updates and you want to show your support, leave a like. It'd be much appreciated. I think it's very possible we get one more push up before we get that next major leg down. I'll show you why this is the case. I'm still in my long hedge on BitGet. If you want to sign up to trade with BitGet, my link's pinned in the first comment description. I also put out a tutorial showing you how to set trigger orders, set your stop loss, adjust your stop loss. If you want to watch that video, I'll put a link up to it now. And the very last video I put up, I told you guys exactly where to go long. Listen to what I said. Your next major support level on this chart, this is the next fib channel line below, is around 29,726. This is important. Now, even if we drop down to this point, I will not close my long hedge because I want to make sure I get out at the best entry. So it's likely if we come down and test 29,726, which I know will hold a support, I might add to my long. So telling you guys on the H1 chart, this is your next fib channel line below. This would be a point too long, 29,720, around that area. You can see we came down and we found almost perfect support and pushed up. Now I can tell you, if we do drop below 29,500, you can see this is our previous low. Let me give you a price label here. So this is our previous low back here around 29,429. If we get below that point and that holds as resistance, guys, it's already game over. We're headed down. So liquidity map, a lot of liquidity, 29,500. If we do push up, I think a likely target would probably be around 31,500. I would get out of my long before that point. It just makes sense that they would send price up before they drop it. And again, that has to do with this liquidity amount. You see right down here, even if we do drop, again, it's possible they send it down to take out these longs. You can see this red line here around 29,500. A lot of longs down here, so it's possible they send it down to that point. I will keep my long hedge open unless we get below 29,500, as I said. However, it does seem likely that they would push price up. This would be more money for the exchanges. They make money off of trading fees. So if they send price up and take out all of these shorts, then they can send it down and take out all of these longs. Again, I think this will be the last push up before that next major leg down. And if you look over to the right here, you can see where my cursor is at. It's 30K. Up here is 32K, so right in the middle will be around 31K. See, there's just a little bit of liquidity just above 31K. It looks to be like 31.2, 31.3K. Keep in mind, as price pushes up, some liquidity could build above. So that's why this target seems likely around 31,500. But I believe that would be the top. I would close my long probably around 31,300 because I do not expect us to get much higher than that. And then, like I said, guys, I think that will be the final top before this comes crashing down. If you do want to sign up to get access to these live charts and Discord, links pinned first comment description. Make sure you email me through the website to get access to our Discord. But that's pretty much it, guys. And pay attention to this resistance level above. I mentioned this in previous videos. Make sure you watch it. That's right around 30,700. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.